Here's a quick video from Instructional Solutions on strengthening preposition use. Before we can review how to strengthen preposition use, we need to understand what is a preposition. Prepositions are words that show location in space or time. And now this probably sounds ambiguous and unhelpful, so here is an example, or here are examples of several different prepositions. A sentence that uses a word that shows location in space or time would be, I am in the classroom right now. A sentence with a preposition showing location in time would be that Christmas falls on a Tuesday this year, showing location in time. There are roughly 150 prepositions in American English. So how can you strengthen your preposition use? First, you need to review prepositions. There's a good list at this link here. The next step would be to find an article. We're going to look at how to avoid hiring a toxic employee from the Harvard Business Review as an example. You'll read through the article, and after reading through it once, go back a second time and look for all of the prepositions in the article. Highlight them. As you can see here, we've highlighted all of the prepositions. Read through it a third time, looking for patterns in the use of prepositions and just raising your awareness of the prepositions in the article. So your third is going to be looking for patterns. You'll see at Harvard Business School or at Cornerstone, for example, and you'll recognize that at is used with locations. You'll see in various industries, and this is common to say that in is used with fields of study or industries. You'll also notice that many verbs are followed by prepositions. Compare to, wipes out, factor in. And this is a very common grammatical form in sentences. So why or how does this work? It seems like you're just reading and noticing preposition use. So the first is that increased awareness will mean that you have improved preposition use. You are raising your awareness of how prepositions are used in texts, and then this will translate to better preposition use in your own writing. There's a difference here between reading and listening. Because American English is spoken in a way that eats the grammar words, so words like to, from, for, in, on, at, words like that, the smaller grammar words, tend to be eaten up in the sentences, so you don't hear them as clearly. With reading, you are forced to read every word and you notice them, particularly when you take the time to slow down and highlight them. The other part here is that repetition is important. This exercise or this practice will work best if you do it multiple times with different articles. So that is an easy to implement exercise to improve or strengthen your preposition use. For any questions about business writing, please visit instructionalsolutions.com.